we are trying to figure out if the mean of the six integers, is the mean of the six integers at least 10? All right, so if we read the problem, the mean of a collection of 5 positive integers, not necessarily distinct, is 9. Well, the way you'd find the mean is you would sum up your numbers and you would divide by however many you have, which is 5, and they're telling me that that is 9. So that tells me that the sum of the digits is 45. All right, I don't know if I need that information or not, but what happens? One additional positive integer is included. So let's take the sum of those 5 numbers and let's add x to it, and that's that 6th number, and we're going to divide through by 6, that's how many I have, and we want to know, is that at least 10? So is it greater than 10? So that tells me that divide both sides, multiply both sides by 6, and I know the sum of my numbers, all 6 of them, have got to be greater than 60. And that 6th number, well, we'll just wait and see what happens there. Well, we know the sum is 45, so 45 plus x is greater than 60. I know that that 6th integer has got to be greater than 15. You follow that? Now look at 1. Clue 1 says the additional integer is at least 14. Well, that means it could be 14 or it could be 15, but I need for it to be greater than 15. So clue 1 doesn't work. Clue 2, the additional integer, that's that 6th integer, is a multiple of 5. So that means that's 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, yeah, 20 is going to work, but you got 5, 10, and 15. That won't work. That doesn't work independently. But if you put clue 1 and clue 2 together, it tells it the additional integer is at least 14. So at least 14. So it could be greater than 15 or 20. That's going to work. The answer is C.